What's poppin', change? We go 3 a.m. challenge. Got the courage alongside. Got my bomb in my what's poppin', Ahmed.
Welcome back to another banger video. You guys already should have it. This video is gonna be absolutely insane.
So guys, so with the fucking motherfucking best just said, dude, please can you unmask Farmer Vincent someday? And that someday is today, guys.
Did Scrubs do that once?
Yeah, guys, but that was we started the challenge at 3 a.m. right, the 24 hours. But then after that, it was at like 5. It was like
No, it ended at 3:59.
No.
It ended at just 4.
No,
So that
that's
did not
stupid.
count.
We don't even know when it's like 7 hours, like, cause the challenge is long. Right? They were like cuts.
Yeah.
So guys, that wasn't 3 a.m. Apparently, if you like, we want to see what happens if you mask him at 3 a.m. Devil's Hour, guys. Link will be in the description for all the 24 hours, guys. It seems like we've done like so many videos on Farmer Vincent, but we've only done 4, which is still a lot. Oh my god, guys. Farmer Vincent is this farmer who used a pig head to saw people and turn them into fitters, guys. The disappearance of passengers nearby the motel have something to do with their smoked meats, guys. They cut them up at night at 3 a.m. Devil's Hour, and they cook them out.
What time?
At 3 a.m. Devil's Hour, that's when Vincent goes to work, guys.
Vincent sucks, bro.
Yeah, guys.
Harper is trash.
Not scary hell.
Harper is gay.
Guys, it's so scary when I was
When I was a kid, guys, my mom loved to eat meat, guys. Like Farmer Vincent smoked meat, guys. But then the next day, my mom went missing, guys. And then I started eating some meat from Farmer Vincent, and it said, your mom has been eaten. And if you don't like and subscribe, I'll come for you and your friends.
Exactly, guys. Apparently, if you do not like and subscribe right now, it is known that Farmer Vincent will actually come to your house and kidnap your family and saw them in their secret meat place. What's it called again? I don't know, smokes meat. It's all like meat.
Farmer Vincent's dick, guys.
Yes, and what do you guys? We actually got some. He's in jail right
Watch
now.
this video got removed for no reason. Just watch.
Guys, Vincent is in jail right now. We got summoned him so he comes to our house, guys. No freaking way, guys. The cops actually arrested him, and the cops wanted you to like and subscribe. No one's gonna do that
We
now.
can call the police right now and unleash them, guys. Like, release them. Our boy Derek works at the police office, guys, so he can probably release Farmer Vincent.
Farmer Vincent escapes in a different video. Right now, we just got summoned him into our house.
Okay.
Yes, we gotta have to do the ritual off screen, guys. Make sure to smash the like button.
Plainly call him.
No, we just got nigger.
This video's gone, guys.
Guys. So Farmer Vincent, guys, he's like a 70-year-old man. We know what he looks like, but we don't know what he looks like at 3 a.m. Devil's Hour, don't we, bro?
He looks like a whore.
We don't know, guys. But guys, tonight we're gonna find out, guys. This is absolutely crazy, guys. Farmer freaking Vincent, guys.
Remember to smash that like button. Let's try to get at least 70,000 likes.
Yeah, 70,000 on this. I know Unmasked blew up overnight. It did.
Did Farmer Vincent fight Leatherface yet?
No.
Leatherface can have like the thing and
Vincent can have that one because Vincent had like the handle on it. Don't do that, dude.
Gay Vincent.
So guys, it's super fucking messed up, guys. The Farmer Vincent actually does this type of shit, guys. We're gonna be summoning him, guys. Let's we did the ritual, now we just gotta wait for it to happen. The fuck? Oh, that's the thing. Yo, guys, it's super fucking crazy, bro. You ready, bro?
Failed PC, guys. Failed.
Did he'll do that?
Yo, if he comes, bro, what should we do?
I don't know, bro.
I might have to put on a pig head. I might have to drink the pig potion, grab a chainsaw, and beat his ass.
Gosh, our known video got 7.2 million views. 7 million views, guys.
How many dislikes? Like 5 million, I
No,
think?
we got 700,000 likes. That's so much.
Okay.
Yeah, 70,000 likes. No, 70,000 likes. This isn't my bad for 7 million views. But we got 600,000 dislikes, guys. So justice for Gnome, guys. Make sure to like it right the frick.
Hashtag justice for Derek, guys. Link will be in there.
Guys, Farmer Vincent's probably gonna come to our house, guys, right now since it's 3 a.m. Devil's Hour.
Yeah, guys. Wait. I'll prove to God that 3 a.m., guys. Tell me that's 3 a.m., guys. Right there. Tell me if that's not 3 a.m.
So I think should take that wallpaper off, bro.
Vincent is gay. Jay! Jay, no! Jay, you! Jay! Oh my freaking!
Such a bad noise.
No! You! Holy shit! Oh my freaking! Vincent just took you, Jay! What the frig? Okay, guys, Jay just got murdered, guys, at 3 a.m. One like equals one prayer for Jay, guys. But the good news is, Farmer Vincent dropped a pig head, guys. Look at that shit. Say hi, pig. It kind of looks like George Floyd's daughter, guys, which is crazy. So I'm gonna put this on, grab a freaking chainsaw. Look at this, guys. Vincent is gay, Vincent is gay, Vincent is gay. Okay, guys. Without any further ado, let's go. I'm putting it on, guys. Holy shit, guys. Vincent is transgender, guys. Hashtag that everywhere. Fuck that damn hat. Vincent is gay, 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 gay. Only at 333. Okay, guys, there he is.
Wait, motherfucker, sorry. I can't. Breathe. I can't breathe. Like and subscribe, or else I'll come for you.
What did you say? I can't see you. I can't see you. Ooh.
No, take your mask off.
I knocked him out. Say something. Say something. I knocked him out.
I knocked him out and now I'm gonna cook him and I'll cook you.
I knocked him out. What? Huh? Yeah. Look at him, guys. Let's joke, guys. Vincent is really mad, guys. Let's use gay grandpa's weapon.
No.
Ian, you're not a piece of shit.
No,
They're scared, guys. They're scared. He's too strong. Wait, over here. Stand over here. Stand over here. Okay, guys. 8. The chainsaw's broken.
You fucking bitch, nigger. Now I take the tape a little bit. So don't.
I don't care. I got more tape.
It's OT.
He's too strong, guys. There's nothing I can do.
Put that on my forehead.
Sorry, guys. I'll take off the vacuum. Piece of shit.
I can't see.
Well, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. He's gone, guys. Where the fuck did he go? We gotta track him down right now. I found him, guys. He's right here. Mitch, you're done. Come on, bitch. Come on. Please step on it. He's scared, guys. Oh my god, he missed. Did you hit it? No, okay. I can't see. 9 minutes, 12 seconds. Hurry up. Do it.
Not yet. How many minutes?
It's 9:18. Hurry up.
No change on here.
Fuck. Hurry up.
I'm dead, this motherfucker.
He's dead, guys.
Stop, you bitch.
Vincent!
Not yet.
Vincent!
Let me. Try to pull it out.
Oh, fucking car.
What happened?
Oh, Ow! They fucking jammed the thing in my fucking finger. Vincent, you alright? J-Station?
Oh no! You take fucker.
How come you're brown?
I don't know. You take care of my animals. You take care of my animals.
Why?
And the secret garden.
What's it?
And at the end
What,
of the dirt road. Wait, no.
You're an evil man.
No, not yet. No, not yet. Hear me out, you bitch. I'm the biggest hypocrite of them all. No, you bitch, nigger.
Stop.
I used preservatives.
No way! Vincent! Remember to smash like when just one like equals one for J and Vincent, bro. And